Welcome to MATH1031, Mathematics for Life Sciences at the University of New South Wales. My name is Jonathan Cress. I'm the Director of First Year here in the School of Mathematics and Statistics, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the course that you'll be taking this semester. Firstly, it's a course that's titled Mathematics for Life Sciences, but it has a wide variety of students. There's students from aviation, optometry, and of course life sciences students. That's because the methods in this course, while they are applicable to life sciences, are widely applicable in many areas of mathematical applications. The course structure has 2 lecture blocks a week. There's 2 hours and 2 hours, and then you'll have 2 tutorials each week as well, where you will be presented with material you have to learn. We'll of course be testing you on this material, and I'll say a little bit about the assessment structure in a moment, but first I'd also like to mention that there's a course pack which contains all the tutorial problems, an exam book, and the course information booklet. You should definitely read the course information booklet very carefully. It's got lots of useful information in it. All of these things are in a course pack that you can buy from the bookshop. It's also available on Moodle to download, and many students might want to have it in both versions. So the assessment structure in Math for Life Sciences, it's going to have 65 marks available before the end of semester, 65 out of 100. And you will be expected to, in fact you must score 50 of those in order to pass the course and also be allowed to take the final exam. Those pre-exam marks are made up of mastery tests, that's the biggest amount. That'll count for 50 of those marks. Then there's a computing assignment on Maple, which is a computer algebra package. So we'd like to get you to learn how to use your mathematics in a computer setting, which is very, very useful to you in the future. And there's an assignment worth 10%, which is really focused on how you communicate the mathematics, writing mathematics clearly. But the main part of this assessment is the mastery test, and there will be a weekly online mastery test covering the material from the lectures in the week before. And in weeks 5, 9 and 13 there'll be tests in the lab based on that material, and they'll be worth 15% each. So that's 15 plus 15 plus 15, and 5 is the 50 marks. You'll be expected to score 80% in these tests if you just want to scrape a pass. So the material is going to be, it's not going to be sophisticated material, it's just going to be the basics, just to make sure that you've got all of that stuff under your belt. And the idea is you do really well in that, and then you go to the exam, which will have more lengthy questions that bring all this material together, and you'll have to write your answers up in a coherent way. The assignment is really designed to help you with that aspect of the course, and the students who expect to get a credit or distinction will definitely be doing that final exam, and that's where you really show that you know what you're doing. I think that's probably explains everything I need to tell you about the course. So good luck, and if you have any problems during the semester, come and see me. Otherwise you might not see me because your lecturers and tutors are different people, and I hope you have a great time in the course.